Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the Kosha Ayurveda copper handle tongue scraper that comes with, as you can see right here, a comfortable grip. Alright, so it comes in this packaging right here. It has plastic packaging, and then there's a canvas container inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this and just simply peel that back and pull it out. I have two of them in here. So this is the Kosha Ayurveda. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I guess you guys can read it and understand what I'm talking about. So here's the package. There's two of them in here. I bought two, and right here is the nice canvas sack that comes along with it. I guess you can put it back in there and carry it around and look cool, I guess. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. It's a little tight, but wiggle it a little bit and get inside. And all right, it's a little bit tougher, a little bit tighter than I thought it was going to be, but I was able to get inside and pull this out. And here it is. There's a nice packaging again, I guess for sanitation purposes. Let me go ahead and figure out how to rip this. All right, so it just comes up another package. And here it is. This is just basically a copper tongue scraper. You take both hands and come in and scrape the tongue. It's pretty cool. All right, so I'll do a review on it. Wonder if you can make music with it. Not really. I'm gonna do a review on this and tell you what my experience was and if I like it or whatnot. But that's the Kosha Ayurveda tongue scraper. I'll leave more information in the description part of the page just in case you want more information about this particular tongue scraper. If you've had experience with this tongue scraper, let me know. Just leave a comment in the comment box. And all right, stay tuned. I'll give you a review on this later. Thanks a lot for watching.